place is mad. Out here today at MIJ Exhausts, getting a big back box put in because, like I was moaning before, it's too loud. It's just too loud, mate. I just took the back section out with the 2 cans on it over here. I'm gonna put in a big back box now, so I'll show you the sounds when it's done anyway. This is the old setup on the floor. It's gonna be the new one. Yeah, I'm here at MIJ Exhausts. Just trying to get my exhaust quieting down even more because I can't cope with it. Literally can't cope. So basically like getting the 2 cans off that I put in the back and putting in a big back box. It's not even that big, to be honest. When I seen it, what he's going to put on there, it's small, so I don't know how much it's going to dampen it, but hopefully it'll do the trick, innit? But yeah. Come on. Sounds quieter at normal, so see how it affects the performance when I drive it back. Yeah, it's actually shit though. It's quieter. Like you can hear the induction proper now, but I don't know if it's like lost power. Feels a bit less, but I don't know if it's because I'm used to just hearing that loud noise. Do you know what I mean? That it's made it feel like it's less aggressive. But I'll only know on the way back when I hit the motorway and I start smacking the speed up. But yeah man, MIJ, bless.